In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view analytics in Shopify on desktop. Understanding your store's numbers is the fastest way to see what's working, spot trends, and decide what to improve next. So let's walk through it clearly and simply. Start by signing into your Shopify admin from a desktop browser. On the left-hand sidebar, click Analytics. This takes you straight to the Analytics Overview dashboard. Think of this page as your command center. Here, you'll see key metrics like sales, orders, sessions, and conversion rate displayed as cards and graphs. At the top, choose a date range that matches what you want to review, like the last 7, 30, or 90 days, and notice the comparison to a previous period. That comparison is helpful for seeing whether you're trending up or down. As you scan the overview, look for patterns. Net sales by channel shows where revenue is coming from, such as your online store or other sales channels. Sessions and returning customer rates hint at engagement and loyalty. The conversion rate helps you understand how effectively shoppers move from browsing to buying. Hovering over charts will reveal exact numbers for each day, and switching the date range will update everything on the page so you can immediately see how promotions or seasonal events affected performance. Keep in mind that some analytics can have a short processing delay, so very recent activity might take a little time to fully appear. When you're ready to dig deeper, go to Reports under Analytics. Reports provide focused views on specific topics, with tables and visualizations to help you analyze details. In Sales Over Time, spot your busiest days and identify revenue spikes tied to campaigns. Customer behavior helps you understand how people navigate your store, highlighting where they drop off or which pages engage them most. Acquisition sources reveal how shoppers find you, whether it's search, social, or direct traffic, so you can invest in the channels that perform best. Marketing performance ties your efforts to results, giving you clarity on what actually drives sales. And product performance shows which items are top sellers and which might need better positioning, pricing, or promotion. As you review these reports, use consistent date ranges so comparisons stay meaningful, and look for sustained trends rather than one-day anomalies. The overview is perfect for a quick health check, while reports let you answer specific questions with confidence. With these two areas, you'll have a reliable workflow for monitoring performance and making smarter decisions inside Shopify.